G'day! In today's video, I've been looking at this machine here. This is one I built a couple of years back now, and it was built just to play Rust. And the customers contacted me and said that it's running fairly slow during gameplay, so I'm not too sure what's going on. Right now we've got a 5600 XT 6GB model in there. We have a 512GB SSD from Team Group. We have 16GB of DDR4 Fury, and I'm not sure what processor. So I'm going to simply fire it up, go into the BIOS, and have a bit of a look. So upon firing up the computer, oddly, we have processor, Ryzen 7 7800, 16GB of RAM, SSD. We're missing display adapter. If I put my hand down here, I'm not feeling the blades spinning. Go back up here. If I load up Device Manager, this device is not working properly. Error code 31. So oddly, I don't know if the Ryzen 1700 comes with integrated graphics, or we're running purely off CPU, which is really weird. Damn modern search engines are terrible. Just trying to find the AMD site for the Ryzen 7 7800. It's not even showing up in the first page. But we get the AI slop right here at the top. And I'm still not getting my answer. There we go. Physical performance architecture. Cores. Integrated graphics. NA. So we don't have integrated graphics. So it's running on a limping graphics card at the moment. Let's begin with just a simple driver reinstall. I'm just going to uninstall the existing drivers, restart the computer, and see if it'll find one by default. And if it does find one, brilliant. If it doesn't, I'll just re-download and install the AMD drivers and see what it does from there. So right now with the reinstall, with the uninstall of the graphics drivers, we're running on stock Intel graphics drivers, or AMD graphics drivers from 2024. That's off the Microsoft website, I'm assuming, but I've got the internet plugged in. And also right now I have noticed fans are spinning. So from here I'm going to try and upgrade the graphics drivers and see what it does. Here we go. Finished. Okay, close. Now we're gonna restart the computer. Power, restart, and then once it's done restarting, what I want to do there is go into Device Manager and see if it's still complaining. I feel like it may have been a botched driver update so far, or if I install the drivers and it's still no good, I suspect it may be a failing card. This one I did sell a couple of years back, and yeah, we'll see where it goes. Let's see, display adapters. Device is functioning perfectly. Try to load up a benchmark and see how it goes. Oops, stuck on a power cable. And winner. Graphics driver update. So pretty much what I suspect has happened here is either the customer has tried to update the drivers, or the AMD Adrenaline drivers now, I can't forget its name, has either tried to do the update, failed, and then botched the driver update and then didn't revert. So with the driver's been removed completely, reinstalled, it's now nice and happy. So overall, a very simple fix for this one particular computer's problem. Bye.